Hi there, Jonathan back once again, and today we're going to be having a look at the organic strategy on YouTube, see how that's working out, and then really thoughts about what's next. So yeah, we're at day 203 now, which is 23rd of March. It's what, 10 to 3 in the afternoon. So I didn't do a video over the weekend. Just very busy on other stuff. Wasn't a great, wasn't a great result sales wise over the weekend. As you can see, really over the 2 days, only generated $981 in sales. And at that same time, we had ad spend at 772, came in at 1,032. Basically, I think we lost. Made a loss of $50, excuse me, something like that. So yeah, that's not good. But I think hopefully we'll see a little bit of a pickup on where we're at. Okay, yeah. So we're at 556, say 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So hopefully we'll see that more around the 800s and a bit of a recovery. But let's talk about the YouTube side of things. So when I shot the video, I think it was on Friday, I was talking about this automated pipeline that we've got up and running now, which is good, which is publishing a lot of YouTube shorts. So let's have a look. These are put stuff up here. These are ones that are scheduled actually for later on today. That one's just gone live, but you see we can get some good viewing numbers, you know, over 1,000 views on these videos, and we're getting quite a few likes on them. Really, that we've got 10 likes, 14, so there's a good level of engagement in them as well. So you know, that's all good to see. And yeah, as you can see, this is really what's happened in the last 7 days, or really probably the last 3 days, in terms of what's happened. So yeah, I mean, 999% more views, because obviously we hadn't got any on those shorts. So we've got our watch time's gone up 100%, and our subscriber rate's gone up 167%. So yeah, this is all looking very positive, and I'm hopefully with this increase in subscribers, it's going to drive more traffic to my website. And as I go through, you know, all the videos have now been updated, so they've got the correct links to go to the opt-in page. So yeah, the organic strategy is off and rolling now. As I say, I just need to spend about 5 minutes a day just adding more shorts. I tend to add about 5 a day, and I schedule them usually a few hours apart. So these will all be going, what is there, 3, 4, there's 6 will be going live at some point throughout the day. So yeah, that is a very much a positive side of things. Just a quick look at the ads and see what's been happening. If we look at that over, let me move myself out of the way. 21st, 23rd, just the last couple of days, we can see cost per purchase. Get some big cost per purchases. Look at those. I don't know why that's so high, but you know, in terms of the actual numbers of purchases, the one that's this is still doing the best. Oh, won't show me, which is really, it's actually a 1-minute video, which is surprising. But as I said before, you know, often people are being shown static images first, maybe the carousel, that side of things. But that brings me on to what I'm going to be doing next, because as we can see here, over those last few days, or even let's look at it over a bit over the last 7 days, the hook, this 15-minute hook, as you can see, is in all the top performing ads. So what I really want to do is to actually introduce it to the carousel as the next thing, and probably to this one here, which is a 13-second video. Now, I say all I've done is really made those changes to the headline. I've not actually changed the imagery at all, just because I haven't had the time, because I probably would do otherwise. But for now, probably what I'm going to do, try and get done this afternoon really, is just add this 15 minutes. I'm just going to duplicate these ads and then just change the headline and body copy so it's the same as this high performing one, and see what that does basically, and then probably later in the week I'll have a review and look at some ad creatives, and probably that's where we'll be probably for the rest of March. But then I need to review back to what my original plan was at the beginning of March, and see how see if I've been able to implement everything I planned to implement, and we'll start to see whether this is working out. As I say, with all of this, you're still very much at the mercy of Facebook ads, and their algorithm. Sometimes you get a few days where they put your ads in front of really good buying audience, a really good quality, so you not only get the conversions, but the sort of audience that buy the upsells as well. And then sometimes, they pick some bad audiences and they don't get the sales, and if there is, it's lower value, so they're not buying the order bumps, they're not buying the upsells. Those swing between those two things can make a massive difference, as basically this picture tells that story. But anyway, all we can do is the stuff that we can control, and I say now having that organic strategy sorted and in place, I can really park that and move on, because that's just going to roll in the background, and let's move on to some new stuff. So that's where we're at today, and I'll catch up with you again, no doubt, tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.